What's up? I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a room tour for you guys because a lot of you guys have been asking on my Instagram pictures, and even my friends who see my room through my stories always ask me to do a room tour. So that's what I'm doing today. As most of you guys know, I go to UCR, so the housing situation is that after first year you can't live on campus. There is an on-campus apartment, but it always gets full super easily, so people usually just live in off-campus apartments or find a house like what I did. So basically I'm living with 4 other girls, so I kind of consider this as a dorm tour, and obviously you can take inspiration from my room. And I know a lot of you guys just want to see the LV wall, which I don't know, is in a lot of my Instagram photos. I'm excited for you guys to see my room, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to do more room related videos. So yeah, let's get started.
Ayo, Madison, go.
Dream room check.
Holy shit, hit it.
So this is the door that leads into my room. We have 2 plants that need watering. I know you guys want to fight me. I'm so sorry. As we go down, we have this little wall area. So I have this Hawaii sign that I got at the Rose Bowl 2 years ago, I think. And then a lot of really old pictures actually. And then I had some paint samples that I thought would look kind of cute right there. So going down here, I have this little table thing, and you guys might have seen this from my first year dorm tour. And basically right here I just have a mirror from Costco, and then I have this makeup holder back here. I just have some keys, a cinema roll, some lip glosses, and then I also have some lip glitters down there. And down here on the table I kind of just try to fill space, so I put a Louis box, a Swarovski, I can't pronounce that, but I have that, and then my wallet. And then over here we just have a jewelry holder. I have a bunch of colored stuff down here and all my gold jewelry up there, and down here it's kind of messy, but you know, we have the rings. At the bottom of this table we have the same decorations I had from first year. So I have some crystals down there, and then a candle that says Sagittarius, and then I have a little Buddha down there and a plant. And then in these boxes, you can get a sneak peek through the hole, but this box is mainly for cleaning, and then this stuff is like first aid. I got this little table at Target, and then the boxes from IKEA. Over here we just have the clothing rack. So the clothes I have out here are basically just like ready to wear clothes, or if I'm lazy I just put it on. So I just have these jeans that I DIY'd. I have a bunch of super cute dresses from my shop over here because it's just super easy to slip on. And then I have a hoodie, jacket. And then on this side I just have my belts, and then my bags down there, super cute. And on the edge of the clothing rack I just have some scrunchies, a snapback that says AF1 on it, really cute, kind of dirty, and then a backpack, a white fanny from Brandy. And then down here I have a makeup bag, my dogs, Jordans, and CDGs. And then I got this fur rug from Target. So I zoomed out my camera so you guys can get a better view of how these walls are laid out. And basically my clothing rack shares the wall with my table that I do homework on. So that is the vanity. And that is me. Hi. I just got this from IKEA. I think this was only around $300, and then I got these light bulbs from Amazon that I just stuck on myself. So on the left side of the vanity it just looks like that, and I have a bunch of books that I've read, as well as a Corona candle that is out now, I think. It smelled really good, and it was from the Melrose Trading Post. And then I have my pencil case with cinema roll on it. On the right side I have 2 notebooks. I just use these to journal. They're really cute. They're both from Target. I have my G7X, and then I have my film camera, and then I have my Starbucks always. Then over here I just have a bunch of stuff that I use to get ready. So I have dry shampoo, body spray, hairspray, skincare. So this side of my room is what literally everyone asks me about. On this side I just have a bunch of Tumblr pictures that I really love. So we have like the Chanel one, we have ASAP and Jaden, Kendall and Bella, Frank over here, and then I have my sign. I got this sign on Amazon, and I think I just typed in light sign and I found this one, and it's super cute, and it's right on top of my bed frame that looks like that. And then on this side, which is where I kind of face away from when I sleep, is just a bunch of Louis that I hand painted. So this is just the LV wall. I didn't paint it all the way down just because I didn't really see a use for it. And I really like how it cuts off like right when my bed stops. So that is the wall. Over here is my laptop. And then I have this throw blanket from Target. And then on the edge, I usually just leave my backpack right there. And then my ring light usually just sits right there. And sometimes, you know, I'll just take a picture right here in front of this area, and it's super cute. If you guys want a tutorial on how I did this wall, I'm super down to make one. I'm embarrassed by how messy my closet is, so I'm not sure if I want to show that, but it basically just looks like a regular closet. That's literally my entire room. I'm sorry if this video is short, but I'm kind of in a rush right now just because I have to edit this, get it up, because I'm starting to get really busy again because the school year just started. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super short, I'm sure. Also, let me know how you guys like the iPhone quality because this is my first time recording on this, so I don't know how it is. I'm testing it out right now, but let me know. I'm down to hear. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. I post a lot on Instagram, so if you guys want to see my life, just follow me on there. I'll have all my links down here. So yeah, let me know how you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.